Lydia. Hi, Sassy. Lydia, come and get your rattle. Come on, Birdie. Pick the shoes. Can't see him. Oh, here she comes. Come on, Birdie. Tell that big plane to get out of your way. Come on. I have your rattle. Come on, Lydia. Lydia Janelli. Lydia. You leave that plant alone, miss. You leave... Oh, don't you even dare. Lydia. Lydia Janelle. You leave that plant alone. Ah! Give me that. Okay. Let's play somewhere else now. Come on. Do you hear Sassy? Ouch. Do you hear Sassy? There she is. Go get her. Go get her. Wow. Look at those little shoes. Okay, now you can have your rattle. What a baby girl. You threw it on the ground. Rattle time. How do you play with the rattle? You put it in your mouth? Oh, bye-bye. See you later. She's got a rattle. Now she's done with me. Yeah? I don't know if you heard that. She said, yeah. Oh, where are you going? You're stuck. There you go. Wow. Look at those little feet. Hi, Lydia. Oh, going for Sassy. Back to that plant. Hey. Hey, are you trying to get into trouble today? This, ladies and gentlemen, is just the beginning of Lydia getting into everything that she wants. Lydia, where's Sassy? Where's Sassy? Where's Sassy? Oh, Mommy's in your way? Is someone on the phone? Oh, for me? Thanks, I'll answer it. Hello? Oh, it's your dad. He wants to talk to you. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Sassy's getting pissed because I'm clearing a way for her, for Lydia. Blah. Lydia, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.